Alright, hey Brandon, hopefully you can hear me fine. I just got off work. It's March 22nd, 4:30. Just got off work here at beautiful West Razor Sawmill. Yeah, just doing the cold start video for you here. As you can see under the hood, it's practically bone stock. Well, not practically, it is. There's nothing that's done to it. Relatively clean, a little bit of dirt and grime on the firewall, a little bit on the strut towers and on the frame rails, if you can see down there. But other than that, it's relatively clean. Everything is in proper working order. New eliminator battery. All fluids are fine and essentially brand new. As you can hopefully see here on the oil dipstick, it is very bronze, not even black. I changed it about 1,000 kilometers ago. Never had to add any power steering fluid, but yeah, power steering fluid is fine, properly clean, and the car is cool. It's hasn't been started since I got off work. Coolant always full, reservoir full. Yes, I've never had any problems losing fluids or anything like that. It's been a very reliable car. Mechanically, nothing really too exciting, but yeah, I'll give it a start it up for you here. Yeah, haven't had a chance to clean the car, so I'll go home after this and give it a good cleaning, get you some more pictures. But yeah, here you see, cool. That's a microphone for the Bluetooth. Nothing too exciting there though. All right. So there's the odometer reading. Idling smooth. E-brake holds fine. All lights on the dash work. Yeah. All right. So yeah, no abnormal clickings, no leaks, no drips. Just trying to show you the fuel rails. Show you there's no fuel leaks, no exhaust leaks. Yeah. As you can hear, there's a little bit of a squeak coming from the auxiliary belts, but that should go away when the car's a little bit warmer. Alright, we'll just go back inside to show you what it's idling at. Now that I've adjusted or hit the throttle, get it out of open loop. Sitting at around 800, steady. Yeah, revs very smooth. Just bring the revs up a little bit here. So the car should be starting to warm up a little bit. We'll just check the temperature here. Yeah, just registering under cold. And yeah, no clicks, no lifter slap, no piston or lifter tick, piston slap, all those sorts of noises. Yeah. And from the back, we'll just give you the exhaust tone. No stock exhaust. Pretty quiet. But yeah, that's essentially it. Yeah, like I said, I'll run home and get it all cleaned up, take it to the car wash, and yeah, send some more information your way. Hopefully that helps a bit.